Hello everyone, I'm Haja Dalwal and I'm part of the Windows commercial team at Microsoft. I'm on location at the Microsoft campus in Redmond, Washington for MVP Summit 2023. I had the opportunity to chat with several IT pros to get their perspectives and thoughts about Windows 11. So let's hear what these MVPs had to say and let's tackle tech together.
Hi, my name is Ström. I'm an MVP out of Sweden within Windows and Devices for IT pros. I really love Windows 11 because the experience is fairly new when it comes to the looks, but also really familiar because it's not that different from Windows 10, even though people think it's a new product. So I think that's a lot of the benefits with Windows 11. It feels new and modern, even though familiar. On a daily basis, I do a lot of Windows 365 stuff. And Windows 365 is actually a really good way to onboard you to the Windows 11 experience without having to reinstall all your PCs. You can just spin up a cloud PC and use Windows 11 that way to test out all your applications before going live.
Hi, my name is Alex. I live in Norway and work in IT as an IT consultant. One of my favorite things with Windows is probably something that's not of the favorite user experience, but security. With all the awesome security features that's been built in that make it easier both for managers, IT pros, and users to use their device with confidence that you're actually using a secure platform. In addition, all the user friendliness, the UI, and the user experience of the device gives the end users a really good premium device quality and users experience. And especially for those who've been experiencing the Windows update waiting time in previous years, Windows 11 has improved a lot.
Hey, I'm Satish from Netherlands. I'm going to talk about the benefits of utilizing the Windows 11 and migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11. There are a lot of benefits moving from Windows 10 to 11. The first benefit I would say is like a great massive user experience. Like when you move from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you see a great user experience and design. And in terms of communication and collaboration, Windows 11 has been kept in mind in such a way like the Teams is perfectly integrated into the Windows 11 platform. So like when you open up the Windows 11, after the installation, you have the Microsoft Teams, which is coming by default. So it's a kind of a collaboration platform which is embedded into the new operating system, which gives a better user option to the end users. Like when you're rolling out the Windows 10, for example, you have to make some end user communication to better utilize the Teams. But here you have the Microsoft Teams, which is integrated into the operating system by default, so that users could start utilizing them by just exploring, and then they would come up with a lot of use cases. So that's one of the main benefit. And also there are a lot of things which I could talk about Windows 11 is like, for example, even you can create virtual desktops from the Windows 11 and then you can give it to the users, which is really good. And in terms of security perspective, it is fully capable of doing all the modern trusted platform modules, which is well equipped, and it keeps your organization very good. So overall I would say, and finally last but not the least, you have the perfect way of rolling out the Windows 11 completely from a cloud managed way, like completely managing from the Intune and then rolling out with the autopilot, which is good. And also currently Microsoft is doing a lot of investment on the autopilot, even for instance the people working remotely who cannot come to the office. There are some things coming in the roadmap where you will be able to completely access and join and utilize the Windows 11 from the home. So that's all my key takeaways about migrating to Windows 11.
Hi, my name is Davina Armstrong-Cruz. I'm from Portland, Oregon, and I'm super excited about the new accessibility features on Windows 11. There's so many things that Windows 11 can do now for anyone, even with accessibility, without any accessibility, so that way you can feel more inclusive in your workforce. And my personal favorite is honestly the voice access. So that way, you can just, maybe you're busy, you're doing something with your hands, and you can just let the, speak to the computer and have it go ahead and make the, voice commands to open up applications, write things that you need down. It's an amazing feature that's really great for anyone.
Well, my name is Raymond Comvalius, and I'm here at the MVP Summit. And I've actually had some very interesting sessions about Windows, especially Windows 11 and where it's going to. And I think it's really going the right direction. Many nice improvements are coming up, and I already like a lot of stuff, like the accessibility features and the improved Windows Explorer that I really use a lot, and the updated snipping tool, and I like it.
Hi, my name is Sander Berkouwer, and I'm here at Microsoft Campus for the MVP Summit. And one of the things that really surprised me last week was the inclusion of the local administrator password solution into Windows and Windows Server. Well, but only if you're on the latest versions. It allows me and my organization to have different local administrator passwords on all our devices. So those lateral movements that allow those pesky adversaries to pwn our Active Directory, those are history now. Thanks, Microsoft.
Hi, my name is Omar Valerio. I'm the Chief Information and Technology Officer in Wesminster Christian School in Miami, Florida. And Windows 11 has been a great tool for our students, especially with all the accessibility tools that it has for students with disability.
Hi, I'm Andrew Taylor. I'm a technical architect at 6 Degrees Group in London, and we are recommending Windows 11 to all of our customers now because it's easy to upgrade, the apps all work, and the workflow is so much better than Windows 10.
Hey, hi everyone, my name is Tiago, I'm from Portugal in Europe, and we're here to talk a little bit about Windows 11, and that's the best operating system ever from Microsoft, I have to confess. Really love the integration that now we can have with password like FIDO2 tokens, like Windows Yellow, with like cameras that can really detect our face and just use our face to authenticate is really a great enhance in terms of security.
Thank you for watching Tackling Tech. I hope you enjoyed listening to these amazing Microsoft MVPs. Please like and subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with the latest episodes. If you have suggestions or feedback for future episodes, please let us know in the comments below. You can also follow me on Twitter for more updates and behind the scenes looks at Tackling Tech. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.